Hi, my name is Anne Slauenwhite. I am a music and French second language educator from Jordan Falls, Nova Scotia. I led my first Experiences Canada exchange as a group organizer back in 2008, and I'd like to give you a bit of insight on how to make the case to your principal, school board, or your community organization about the benefits of youth exchanges. Experiences Canada exchanges are typically between 7 to 10 days for each group, including 2 days of allotted travel time. Depending on the travel and hosting week, students may miss out on some of their classes at school. This is not to say they are not learning during this time. They are learning a great deal about culture and history while building other important skills such as self-confidence and independence. More commonly than not, school boards and community leaders appreciate the value of reciprocal exchanges as they complement the typical school setting style of learning. Youth are given the opportunity to experience firsthand some of the historic sites and cultural activities that they otherwise only read about, like walking up the same path the Fathers of Confederation took to attend the Charlottetown Conference, or exploring the Plains of Abraham in Quebec City, or taking part in a traditional powwow in God's Lake First Nation, Manitoba. It is this type of authentic experience that young people remember and that makes their learning relevant and personal. Far from falling behind, often students end up further ahead in their schoolwork because the experience sparks a stronger interest and focus in their studies when they return home. When participating in an Experiences Canada exchange, the types of activities you do with your twin group can be key to curricula of all types: geography, history, language arts, or even a blend of several courses. For local students, most itineraries generally reflect the local culture, community, and history of where your group is located. More importantly, time spent hosting their twins also helps youth to develop their leadership and communication skills. In some cases, groups also become involved in community service, leaving a positive impression about their school or youth group. Making the case to your principal, school board, or community organization may not be as difficult as you may think. In collaboration with the twin group organizer, each group designs a hosting week program that shows off their own community and meets the objectives of each group's exchange learning plan and Canadian Heritage's guidelines. The homestay aspect of these exchanges offer a true immersion experience where youth have the chance to possibly practice their second language in a home setting and get to try new cuisines or participate in new traditions. Experiences Canada staff are available Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time to answer any and all of your questions. So if you are curious about how an exchange might benefit your kids, please get in touch at 1-800-387-3832 or email info@experiencescanada.ca. A travel experience of a lifetime awaits you and your group. We can't wait to get you going.